Hello crypto friends, welcome back to my channel where I bring you the latest updates and insights from the crypto world. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any important news. Today we've got some big news. One of the largest projects in the world has just announced a brand new crypto airdrop for its users. We're talking about the prediction platform Polymarket, which is planning to distribute nearly $3 billion among its users. And yes, this is specifically for active users. If you've interacted with Polymarket and participated in events, whether you won or lost, you may qualify to receive Poly tokens. Good news, the eligibility checker is already live and the airdrop has recently been officially confirmed. Make sure to check your eligibility as early as possible and potentially increase your Poly allocation. To do that, you'll need to connect a valid wallet that has a history of transactions on Polymarket. You can already start by using the link provided by the Bravado trading platform in the description below this video. Keep in mind that your Poly allocation is not fixed. It may vary depending on your level of activity on the platform. Also, don't forget to fund your wallet to cover transaction fees. Otherwise, you might face restrictions, including a potential IP ban. I hope you found this video helpful. If you made it this far, support the channel by subscribing and sharing this with your crypto friends. See you in the next video where we'll explore another promising crypto gem.